So let's have a look at perhaps what is the defining feature or most powerful feature of the platform that is going to make it effective for a variety of uses. For coach development, that's going to make it effective as a reflection tool for a coach to self-reflect on their coaching. It's going to make it effective as a feedback or a mentoring tool for mentors or peer coaches to provide the subject coach with that feedback and mentoring. So that feature is the ability to comment and reply on certain sections of the video. So we're going to load in our video as we saw in the last feature demonstration, and you can see here the video will load in shortly. That this list on the right, we've got a series here of comments that have been made by various users, and we can also see for each of these comments the time period that they span for, and also in blue in the brackets here if any replies have actually been made to those comments. So first of all though, let's look at how we add a comment to the video. So we're playing the video and we're watching it. Let's say we're a coach self-reflecting on this is his coaching session. He can obviously hear the audio in this situation. He's watching it for a period of time, and he might already have some observation about perhaps the attention of the group. So when he wants to start that comment, so he hits new comment, automatically the point at the video the video is in is set to the start time of 14 seconds. He can then enter a comment about and say something about the group and how they are engaged or not, and then he might just want to let that clip keep running and set the end time. So the start time was 14 seconds. He now keeps the video playing, and he might say get to this point here where he wants to end this comment clip, and that's now going to end at 28 seconds. He can then save that, and we should see here that in our list of comments we now have a comment by viewer_user, that's who we've logged in as, has made the comment something about the group and how they engaged or not. So what we can do is click on that comment, and now the comment gets displayed up the top, and now we have a separate video player that's just going to play that 14-second clip. So if you remember, it started at 14 seconds, went to 28, so that's a 14-second clip, and that's created in the separate player here. So now he can, if he's coming back to this at a later date, if this is now another coach or mentor logging in, they can see the exact segment of the video that his comment relates to. And this is the advantage over other video solutions you might have seen out there, such as YouTube, where you can go to certain points in the main video player, but this doesn't create a separate video clip for you, and it has no out time. So whilst it might start at 14, you press play, the mentor coach doesn't really know when that segment of video that's relevant, when does it end, when do I stop, and maybe then make a reply. Whereas here we can watch that 14-second segment through and say, yeah, I might want to watch that again, and we can watch that over again, and then obviously we can create this discussion or conversation around the content or the topic of that certain clip, and that's where a lot of learning occurs and feedback can go on. So this is a reply, original comment, and obviously this would be a different user normally making that reply, and then we can add further replies. So you're creating this discussion thread around that section of the footage. So that is in a nutshell how the commenting and reply feature works, which is really the most powerful way to add value to your video, to add value to the self-reflection process of a coach, and to add value to feedback or provide the opportunity for feedback and mentoring by mentors or other peer coaches.